Alright guys, what's good? Not in the mood for reacting to shit today. We're just gonna do a tutorial. Alright, just man can shut up. Uh just uploaded a video and it's pretty late, so uh let's do a horror game tutorial guys, since I don't really do tutorials. I'm on like max level gatekeeping. My ping? What do you mean? Hold up. Am I really that laggy? What? No, it's perfectly fine. Alright, let's do a horror tutorial. Let's see what's wrong with my viewers' projects, guys. So first of all, let's just go on and see, pick some bad ones. Let's see what's up. I mean, there's some improvements. There's that one guy who made like one of those like horror zombie video games. I think he could use something. Maybe I shouldn't just go. Okay, whatever. We'll see what's missing in a lot of these horror games. Okay, let's pick this for example. Let's see what's wrong with this. Uh, oh my God. What is this? Why does he have so much ADA? Why does he have so much idle animations, bro? And they have to play for everything. What? Okay, this is messy as hell, bruh. What is this? This is probably why it glitched, bruh. Yo. This is probably why that I was moonwalking that shit, but like, some of y'all, let's see. That one needs clones. Okay, y'all don't really know how to use clones, so I'm gonna tell y'all how I rig my monsters and shit. Alright, so for example, we gotta separate it. Well, I literally do it in all my videos. Let's just make him have like a basic body, like that. Here's how you make a monster, guys. Okay, so you gotta separate the body parts. How much parts is this? One, two. I'm gonna reuse a part. So actually, all you need is actually 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 parts of the cat. This is basically the body, the head, the arm, because we're gonna clone these 2 times. That's why we don't need 2 legs, guys. Save some space and stuff. Okay, so the first one. So know that this circle right here orientates. So like, if your shit is like over here, it wouldn't orientate like this. It would orientate like, okay. Like the other side. Hold up. Let me pull up an example right here. I think most of y'all know this by now if you watch Griff Patch, but I'm gonna just show y'all. Hello? No? Yes? Is this gonna capture my... No? Okay. Seems like we're gonna do this override. Alright, so y'all see the circle in the center. There's shit like this. Orientates like that. So if your stick is over here, it'll orientate like this across instead of this. Cause like this is the origin. Alright, I don't even know what I'm explaining, but just keep that in mind. So we're not gonna place our head like that because we want it to twitch and shit. We're just gonna put it like that. Copy this. Make the how many? Four costume. I don't care what costume you put these parts in, just put it in like a good position. The body, just put it in the middle. You don't really need any of that. Leg, over here. And put it like that, so it orientates like this. Alright, and then we got the arm. Just put in like I'm gonna just put it like that too. Alright, and then just one more costume. Maybe make like a dot or something. I don't care. This is gonna be our actual sprite costume. All these are for the clones. So we're gonna have this. We're gonna have this forever set ghost. Because we want to set the parent, like the actual sprite, to hide, but not actually hide. We're gonna repeat clones, repeat 4. We're gonna create this, a local variable for the clones. Well, should I really explain how this works? Alright, fine. Where's my paint shit again? Okay, so local variable only the sprite. Oh my god. There's text. Has access to present changes. So, for example, if my local variable is 1 and I change it to 2, the sprite will read it as 2 instead of 1. So, nope. But, on the other hand, clones of the sprites doesn't read this way. So, what makes them actually useful is if you set the variable before you make the clone. So if I set the var, the variable, the local variable to 1, and then I make the clone will lock that variable. So even if I change it to number 2, it cannot read it. It'll just permanently lock the variable that comes when it's created. So you can't change it or do anything at all. So that's the problem. It locks the variable. So once you create it, it will store that value forever. You can't change it. You can't do anything. Um, if you want the clone gone, just delete it, make another one in order to read the new variable. It can't read the new variable. It's hard stuck on the variable it started out with. So with this information in mind, we can now just set this to 0. Change clone, it doesn't matter what order, you can set it to 1 and then change it. Just know the order. So it's just gonna be 1, 2, 3. Okay. Let me just prove this real quick. Clear graphic effects because of course we're invisible. Go to random position. So switch costume to costume clone number. This also proves it. Say clone number if touching mouse pointer. Okay, and then okay, first maybe not hide this. Okay, clear graphic effects. So this is the actual sprite right here. We create clones. See, this is number 2 because we set the costume clone to number 2. So, see, it's number 2. This is number 1. This is number 4. And this is number 3. And this is oh, I didn't. Okay. And then the actual sprite says the variable number 4. But if we change it again, it will say number 5. And if we touch it, it doesn't say number 5. These clones are hard stuck on variable they started out with. So that basically proves that. So with this in mind, we could basically move on, create our stuff. Let's set this to 100. Set goes to 100. Delete this. Clear graphic settings. And then just test out rigs, I guess. How are we gonna do that? Let's just create a clone. How are we gonna know our position? Create a clone first with nothing in it because we don't want code before we know our positions. And just actually, what am I doing? Nah. I'm gonna just not test this way. I don't generally test this way. I'm gonna just test it one by one on the code. But it might be easier. Nah, I don't know. I don't know. I haven't coded in such a long time, bro. Alright, costume, ghost number. No, not costume, clone. This is gonna be the head. Go to sprite. No. See, okay, so here's a tutorial to go to your own sprite. See, as you see here, I can't go to myself. We gotta create a new costume. Cheat the system over here. Go to sprite 1. There, now we got the go to sprite 1 block. Scratch and now slick. Alright, now I'm actually using my clones to go to my position because I can't use it on my own shit. And then we'll see how this goes. Switch costume, can't forget about this. To clone variable. Okay, so we have that. If cloning wants to go to sprite 1. Where's sprite 1? Okay, so this is clone 1? No, it's not. This is clone 1. See, now it's hard stuck on that. Set graphic vector to 0 because I want to see it. Go to front layer. No? Yes? Oh, wait. There we go. It's the costume. Why is this guy spamming my chat? Alright, y'all. See ya. I'm gonna just edit this shit out or something. Body. Oh, wait. It looks trash without outline. Let's do an outline. There we go. That. Now we gotta rig the body. This looks good, I guess. But let's go clone number 2. Go to sprite. Now, as you can see, it automatically teleported because I put that block there. But it's not exactly in shape. See, if I move the actual sprite, it'll follow it, which is the dot. Let's just change Y by like minus 30, minus 50, 60, 70, 80. There we go. We are our position now. Do that. 3. Go to sprite 1 again. The legs this time. Change X. Minus 20. Minus 90. 120. 130. Minus 10. There we go. Actually, we need more clones than that. That would be basically doubling. 4 plus 4 is 8. And we'll do for the other side. 4. Okay, let's redo. Shit. Okay. We gotta get rid of this switch to costume clone. Switch to costume 1, switch to costume 2, because we're making double legs. What's legs again? 4, I think. There. That won't work because we need 2 clones. If clone is number 5, it will not switch to the right costume. There. Now we just move this to 10. It looks a little bit weird, but if y'all make it straight, I guess it's fine. Alright, hold up. Maybe I'll flip this or something. This fucking looks atrocious. Whatever. Don't matter. Let's make the rest. Number 5. Wait, no. This is supposed to be 2, 3. Was this the arm? No, that's the body. Alright, now this is actually the arm. It'll be number 3. Set Y. I just test it first. Not that low. 0. 15. Rotate it a little bit maybe. I just do this. There. Alright, next. Last one. Minus 15. There. Why is there 3? Oh, because of my thing. Alright. I think there might be an extra one. Did I miscalculate? Head, body, 2 arms, 2 legs. What am I missing then? Why is there extra? Wait, no, it's actually 6, right? Head, body, 2 arms, 2 legs. Yeah, it's actually 6. My bad, guys. There. Perfect. Now we basically got a rig. How do we animate it? If you animate inside this, it will be buggy because you have to go to the position and rotate at the same time. So what we do, we make broadcast a message after because you need everything created before they can receive it. Rig, there we go. Now when I receive rig, basically simultaneously we're just duplicating this. This looks right. Just basically remove all this junk. Attach these two because I don't like extra if then blocks. Just a waste of blocks. Put an and block here, combine it like that. And then just basically test out, rotate. First one is the head. I'll rotate it like crazy, maybe like 15 that way, 15 the other way. No, actually, maybe just 5, because it's 10 anyways. Oh wait, no, this is, okay. Because it's not working, because my shit's a circle. Let's just restart. Now it's broadcasted. Let's put that in there. Alright, look guys, now, okay, I forgot the freaking rotate back. So it's basically this, and then just 20 on here. Right? No, I'm probably wrong. Okay, no, I am right. Okay, look. Alright, guys, we rotated the head. Next, this. It's the arm. No, it's the body. We'll rotate it slightly, maybe like 3. -3, -3, 3. Like that. Oh, no, that's too much. 1, -1, -1, 1. Okay, we'll get messy like that. Just put set direction to 90 there. Now it's perfectly orientated. Now for the arms. Okay, maybe you do need different ifs, cause if you want your shit swing like this, then you kind of need that, low key. That was my bad, guys. We just do this, do that, duplicate another one. No, everyone makes mistakes. Do this, rotate 10 this way. And note that we're almost done, guys. Just need a couple more blocks. That, -5. Let's read chat real quick. Alright, nothing in chat. Let's just keep on doing our stuff. Swap it. Okay, now that's the arm. Nope. It's walking the other way. Let's swap it. It's basically just testing it. This looks fine. I mean, it's a tutorial anyways. Let's do that. Let's do this. If you do all these steps, you should be having something like this. Alright, looks worser than I think. But let's move it closer. Let's move the arms closer. What's the arms again? Number 3. 3 and 4 then. -6. 7. Is it the legs? Oh, it is the legs. Alright, the legs are fine. Then that means it's this. 10. Move it closer, maybe like 8. There we go. -8. Alright, there we go. We have a fully animated rig. But how do we make it move? Well, it is well, what the fuck am I saying? Well, everything is attached to the sprite, so we could just move the sprite, and it should move smoothly. So we could just do x -5 on the original one. Do something like this. See, look. Now it moves perfectly straight with its animation. Unlike my Cottage 1, which I put everything inside the wrong place because I speedran that game. Well, I finally adapted and learned how to do this shit by testing and thinking of new methods. But now that we've done this, we could just basically... I'll show you how to link shit as well, I guess. Everything could just be hidden. We could just put like a hidden technique over here. No, a hidden trigger over here. If monster equals to 1, show, else hide, and then we put that, boom, everything's hidden, guys. You can't see anything. And then set goes to 100. This one, get that out of here. And then we could do when I receive monster. We could do pick one random. Pick a random spot, either right or left. Equals to 1. And set to like minus 300. Minus 300. I mean just 300. And then repeat until x is bigger than 270, right? Because we're coming from that side, we gotta go that side. And this one, minus 270. Change x by maybe like 5, 2. And this one's minus 2. And then we could let's make a player. Yes, get the fuck out of my way. Cat. Here, let's make a player real quick. Do not, never use this shit. This is like, I know this is simple for you, like starters and shit, but it's not gonna be smooth. You have to keep pressing key. You can't hold that shit. It's not smooth at all. I know a lot of y'all know better to use something like this. Use this one over here. But when I was starting out, I always used that one because I thought it was easier. That shit is so ass though. Alright, let's duplicate that. Wait, why do I need 4? I only need 2. Alright, change x, minus 10, go down here. There we go, we got symbol, oh, nope, wrong. Okay. And then we could do like a simple trigger over here. Wait until x is bigger than 0, I guess. And then we could just broadcast monster. No, we gotta set it before. Set 1. Maybe broadcast after. Okay, let's go. Oh my god, he's coming! He's coming! Oh, not everything is oriented because I did not start off with 90. Oh my god. Alright, now it's perfectly oriented. Oh, it's because monster is not set to 1. Okay. There. No, because it's not set to 0. What am I thinking? Alright. Just walking over here. Bam. Motherfucker coming at you. Like, just like that. That's how you make it, guys. And then in a jump scare, do I need to say more? Just put an F touching this motherfucker. Then, play the animation. Go to front layer. Continue animation. This is basically it, guys. This is basically how you rig. It's not that hard. Just put your animation here. It's not really animated. Well, I speedran for tutorial. But, I'll see y'all later, bro. Maybe y'all understand it. Maybe y'all don't. Am I gonna post this? Fine, I'll post it. Here, guys. See y'all later. Have a nice night. Have a nice day. See y'all later, bruh. I might reveal sometime this month, maybe. Maybe not.